Hi, in this video we're going to show you two things regarding Zendesk. The first is how to authorize Zendesk with your organization in Transifex, and the second is how to configure your Zendesk Help Center to support multiple languages. Regarding the first item about authorizing Zendesk, on transifex.com on your dashboard, on the top navigation, there's a down arrow by your organization name. Then we'll click Organization Settings, and then on the left-hand side, we'll click Manage Integrations. Then we'll scroll down and find the Zendesk box, and we'll click the Authorize link. That will open a text box where we will enter the main Zendesk subdomain we wish to connect to. Then click Authorize. That will redirect us to Zendesk, where we will need to enter the authorization information for Zendesk. After entering that, we'll click the Allow button, and that will redirect us back to the Manage Integrations page on Transifex. And if everything was successful, the Zendesk subdomain that we entered previously will be highlighted in green. And that is all it takes to authorize Zendesk. And now we will configure the Zendesk Help Center to support multiple languages. So we will open a new tab and enter that Zendesk subdomain that we entered previously. And then we will click the four little boxes at the top, and we're going to change the language in two places, the agent support area as well as the help center area. So first we'll click support agent workspace. And then on the left-hand side, we'll click the gear icon that says admin. And then we will scroll down, and under settings, we will click the account link, and then the localization tab. And next to languages, there will be a drop down, and that's where we will enter the source language we wish to use, keeping in mind that locales are considered separate languages in Transifex, so make sure to use the correct locale. And then for the target languages, we will click the additional languages link right below that, and we'll put a check mark by the target languages we wish to use. And when we've checked all those, we will click the Save Tab button at the bottom. And now the agent support area is configured for languages, and we'll add the same languages in the Help Center area. So we'll click the Guide Help Center, and that will open a new tab. And then we'll click the Guide Admin link at the top. And then on the left-hand side area, we'll click the gear icon again. And then we'll select Language Settings. And then we will add all of the languages, both the source as well as the target languages. The source language will have the default label next to it. So after all of those languages are added, we can click the Save button at the top. And now Zendesk is fully configured for use within Zendesk.